From our roadwork file tonight, big delays are coming this summer as Caltrans work continues on the most projects the state has ever had ongoing in Kern County at one time. Today, state engineers talked about the work ahead on Highways 99 and 58, which is linked to the Thomas Roads Improvement Program. Now, much of the work involves the interchanges between routes 58, 99, and eastbound 178 at the 99, and will be funded by a construction investment of up to $450 million, which will provide upgrades to existing road facilities and additions to the infrastructure. But with it will come lane splitting and the closure of northbound 99 off-ramp to westbound 58 and the eastbound off-ramp from 199 to 178. And this will go on from mid-June to August. We're told more information will be out soon on ways to get around the work.
There will be detours that are put out to the public. There will be advance notice that is given for the traveling public to take alternate routes. And when that happens in a couple months here, that information will be given to the public on which routes are best to take.
All of these 9 Caltrans projects are designed to reduce the wear and tear on vehicles traveling through central Bakersfield, providing for a smoother ride and improving overall safety.